Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Webnora. We'll be discussing the huge investment opportunity that is available in AlphaGPT. Yeah, I have been making some consistent videos on AlphaGPT of late, and then if you have been going through my channel, you will see how to join AlphaGPT, how to enroll, how to subscribe, how to also buy bots. Okay, so basically, they use bots to you subscribe to bots, and then the bots give you a certain percentage per month. If you have not joined this channel, please hit the subscribe button so we can keep this ball rolling. All right, so it will also be nice if you hit the notification bell button so that you'll be notified each time I drop updates like this. So on Alpha GPT, you have different bots that you can actually purchase, and the level of your purchase, the level of your investment determines the revenue you earn. Okay, so I think I started with the balance bot, the 10 units. Yeah, so I activated it, and this has to do with about just 20 USDT. You fund this account with 20 USDT, and then you get to, if you don't know how to fund this account, you should check out the video on the tag right now. You can check it out to see how to fund your account on the Alpha GPT. I already made that video before now. So now, if you invest 20 USDT here and activate, you get to earn 0.6 USDT every day. Every day, just come here, you mine it every day, 20%. In the end, you end up getting like 90% of your investment. Now they have different packages there. Coinbase, 5 units, that's for 80 USDT. You'll be getting 2 USDT every day. For Kraken bot, 220 USDT, you'll be getting 5 USDT every day. So there are different packages there. This one is of 3000 USDT. The YDX bot, once you activate, you'll be getting 30 USDT every day. 30 USDT every, that's 3% of 3000. That's 30 USDT every, that's what you'll be getting. Okay, so guys, this platform has been on for over a year now, and then I keyed into it and I've been withdrawing. I even get to send my USDT to my Trust Wallet account. No, my Trust Wallet straight, easily, within 3 to 5 seconds, it's done. It's in my wallet. You understand? So this platform has been on for a while, and then I have been mining. I think I invested 500 USDT, and every day I get 12 USDT every day, and I can easily withdraw this to my Trust Wallet, and then turn into fiat or something. So guys, it's a very good opportunity. I will post a referral link in the description below so you guys can check it out, and then go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so if you subscribe, you can subscribe for free, and then the bot, you have the free bot there that you can use to mine daily, but it stops after a while until you buy one of the bots here. Then you can keep mining and mining and mining. You get 3% every day. So guys, it's a very good opportunity now, and I think I will advise you to go ahead for it. If you have any money lying around somewhere, just use it, put it on here, and then earn your money daily. All right, thank you guys, and please do subscribe to this channel, and that's how we keep the ball rolling. Thank you guys.